Hello, new Caterpillar caregivers. My name is Uakea, and I'm delighted to welcome you to the world of Monarch butterflies. Over the next 2 to 4 weeks, you'll be able to witness one of the most amazing phenomenons on Earth as your caterpillar transforms into a monarch butterfly. So here are some tips and tools that will really help you enjoy the whole time together. The first thing we'll need to do is take your carrier home and let's find a good location for it. We'll want to find a flat, clear surface like a tabletop, a countertop, or a shelf where you have lots of good ventilation but indirect sunlight. It shouldn't be too hot or too cold a location, and if people and pets frequent this area, please be sure that your carrier cannot be easily bumped off onto the floor. My favorite addition to this space is a good lamp, because over the next few days I'll be doing some close observations, and good lighting is always key. Once you've found that spot, you can leave your carrier there and go ahead and open the top. The first thing you might notice inside of your kit is some caterpillar food. What we've included is about 2 to 3 days worth of milkweed leaf cuttings. This special leaf is gold to your caterpillar, so let's make sure that your leaves stay fresh and crisp. Keep your Ziploc on your bag open and then place the whole bag into your refrigerator. The next thing you'll notice inside of your carrier is attached to your little adoption note, a little decorative leaf with a felt side to it and a sewing pin. I'll get back to these in a little bit, so I'm going to place them to the side for now as we cover the tools and things that you'll need to find from around your home and neighborhood. So be on the lookout for your paper towel. Next, you'll need your gardening shears, or a pair of home scissors is fine. Just be sure that it can get dirty, if that's okay. And don't use your mom's sewing scissors. A paintbrush is going to be helpful for cleaning time. And then you're going to be looking around your neighborhood. Over the next 2 days, while you use up the plant food that we provided for you, you're going to need to find a milkweed tree. We often will look for 4 to 8 foot crown flowers that are purple and white. And attached to these are the green leaves that often have a milky or fuzzy bottom to them. Caterpillars use these as host leaves where they lay their eggs, and that's why caterpillars just stay there and eat all their life. So be on the lookout for those. We want to make sure that it's accessible for you and that has lots of good mature leaves on it. Second, while you're walking around, find a good twig or stick that you can place inside of your carrier so that as your caterpillar gets older, it can climb on it or hang from it if it wishes. And then here's where your pin comes in handy. I like for my caterpillars to be able to eat on a leaf just as they do in nature. So I like to take my cuttings and pin them to my twig. That way too, all the poop they make just falls right off of the leaf. It's a little less cleaning for you on the leaves, and I love the look of it. So those are all the tools you needed to get started for the first 3 days. Every time you see that your caterpillar has a little too much poop in there, just add some fresh paper towel lining that's damp but squeezed out to the bottom. That'll keep some moisture in there, and then it'll be really easy to clean out as well. So that's all you need for the first 2 to 3 days. Enjoy observing your little one in there, and we'll see you back in a little bit for the next video. Bye.